Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I made these lace-up jeans. So the first thing that I do is measure them all the way from the top to the crotch of the jeans. I think it measured around like 12 inches. So then what I do next is get another pair of jeans, and then I measured it to about 14 inches, 14 by 2, just because I'm going to fold it over on the edges. So I just cut out 2 extra pieces of jean material, and then I lay it on the jeans just to make sure that it fits and that it is going to lay right. So what I do here, I just iron the edges of the jean material, and then I lay it on the jeans again just to make sure that those are the right dimensions. So after I do that, then I sew them along the edges as well. And then again, we have to be super thorough. So just measuring them again and making sure that they line up on both sides. So here I grabbed some grommets, also called eyelets, and just placed them on the jeans. I didn't measure them or anything. I just kind of eyed it, and it was fine. So I'm going to install the grommets and then I will be right back. So now I'm back. So what I'm doing here is I'm lining it up and then I'm gonna take it and just sew it on the outer side of the material. So just the outer part. It's all sewed, as you can see, just on the outer part. Don't want to sew the inner part as well. And then here I just add in the lace material, or like the strings. You can honestly use whatever. And then I'm just inserting it. I honestly want to get some different string for the jeans, but you know, you can always switch them out. It's no biggie. And here is the final product. Yeah, they're super cute. I love them. I hope you all enjoyed.